And you want me to go for her?
No. I just want you to locate, not destroy. Let us know where she is and we'll do the rest.
That's it, sir?
Mm-hmm.
That's easy. That's really too easy, sir.
You can do it between touring Broadway and shopping at Macy's. And remember, you have to brush up on your washing, cooking, and cleaning, as it appears that you might be hearing matrimonial bells.
Sir. We can't really stop with the matrimonial bells and all of that thing now, please.
I'm just saying that I can't remember when last I got a cup of coffee or even a dinner. Or do I have to give myself a feminine name to get these courtesies?
Oh boy. Sir,
Hmm?
you're the worst, you know.
Really? Oh, Angie, how are you handling this Kareem situation?
So we are saying now.
Yes, but there's only one problem. Always a drop
It sounds like you have a balance problem.
I think it's because of the water boot.
Yeah, separate love him water boot, you know.
Yes, and him even showing it.
Real?
Yes.
That sounds weird.
Sometimes I wonder if he sleeps in them.
I think so.
Daddy,
Yes, dear.
do I have a stepmother?
Awa? Why you ask me that?
Mama said I must find out and tell her.
Jaja. Alright, come on, grab it.
You see the footage, right?
Yes, fortunately for him.
Him a play stubborn, sir.
I'm sure he would. You never expect him to.
I ask him cousin for talk some sense into him.
Look, between you and I, the guy wasn't no angel. So Kareem may have done us a favor. It is my information that this was a really deep link into the extortion business in the area. So Kareem actually did something good. But we really don't want to say that publicly. And I don't want the footage to get to any young constable that might be looking to get a stripe and think that this is the perfect way to get a leg up on a promotion.
That's what I want him to understand, sir.
Give him some time. I have the footage securely locked away. So, for the time being, he's safe.
Okay, that I am glad to hear.
However, if he still has that knife, he needs to allow us to help it disappear. In the meantime, if a full-scale investigation is done on the agency, I will have to turn over that footage. And if it even remotely appears that I hid that footage, well, you know what would happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll let him know that as well.
Good. Now, can your father get a cup of coffee? Or who do I need to identify as?
Right away, sir.